Very good, my YouTube people. Today I am going to show you how to draw Goku in the easiest way possible. To do this, we are going to start by drawing this cross. This cross will help us place the elements of the editor face. Zoom in to explain something. I want you to pay attention here. I get asked a lot about eye distance. First, let's start by drawing an equidistance, no matter the distance. What does matter is the following: that it is centered and that this distance is twice the distance or width of an eye. We draw it here about twice. And that's the distance of one eye. We do the same thing on the right side, and with this information we can start drawing Goku step by step in the easiest way on all of YouTube. If you want me to be drawing any character, anime, YouTuber, etc., comment the name of said character below and I will be drawing it. Here we are going to draw what the eyebrows between the eyebrows is in that. So after we have the eyebrow drawn, we are going to start drawing the left eye. Why the left? Simple. I am right-handed. It is easier for me to draw the left eye, and then when I am drawing the right eye, have a reference that will be the left eye. Once all this has been explained, in this video there will be 2 Dragon Ball objects hidden if you can find them. Comment their location in the comments box below. Once we finish with the eyebrows, let's draw the eyes on this part. I want you to pay attention. I'm not going to lower it that much because we're going to be drawing Goku style. Dragon Ball Zombie Classic. This part we're going to do kind of curve is going to curve like this. We are going to do the same to the other eye, and it would simply be left to add details. Here I tell you, you have to leave a distance to draw what the nose is. If we don't leave that distance, the drawing will look bad. We leave the distance like I told you, and here we give shape to what the nose is. The nose is more or less one triangle and another detail. The mouth in the Dragon Ball characters is very close to what the nose is, so let's draw it this line. Okay, now the rest is to fit the face. Here's the part where they ask me the distance. Here they only have to fit. If we fit the face, this line will look good. This one, it helps us keep the face symmetrical, and down here we connect. After this we draw the ears. And we shape what the hair is, and practically this would be the finished drawing of Goku Paso. Step by step, as I already told you. If you want to send me your drawings, you can do so on my Facebook page that appeared in the video. Apart from all that, there you can chat with me, talk to me, send me your drawings, and I will be giving you advice and my opinions. Once all this is said, God bless you, and until the next video, bye bye. By the way, comment below that other characters want to enter, whether from Dragon Ball, Naruto, etc, etc, any anime or whatever. Comment below animals, fruits, etc, and I'll be drawing it or will put it in. Mr. Vocation.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate again.